back to back to back.
Very
back,
late
back,
in the
back,
month,
back,
sorry,
back,
everybody.
back videos. I think like 8 or so. So if you see some same clothes, same outfit. Ooh, I really like that.
That's pretty.
But yeah, we're going to be looking the same, like as though
Best
we never
time
change
of
our
the
clothes.
year. Oh, get it out. And then it's
like
got the cards in
theme.
the, you know, in the bottom of the box. They know I'm going to throw them, so they put them in the bottom. So they can
Yeah,
stay there.
look fantastic. Had a pretty box, and then this one has a pretty box.
That's really pretty.
I like theme. Is this Glossybox you said?
Yeah.
That's why. Okay. I was like,
Okay, and then it's like this. I don't know. So when you open it, it looks like that. And tie it. It's really cute.
It is really cute.
I like the ribbons. Okay, so best time of the year. I guess I'll give you
I
that.
feel like it's making you
Underneath
think
that
of
is
opening
that.
a present or something.
Okay.
When it just has the stuff she's getting, and then the cards on the back.
Open. Okay,
Oh, I've
so,
seen something like that
why is there
before.
2 of these? One for my sister. For sure. Embrolis, as I say, Embrolis Laboratories Lead Creme Concentrate. I don't know how to say it. Multifunction Nourishing Moisturizer. I have 2 of them, so it's up to you if you want one or you want to put it in a giveaway. It's I know,
to
I'll probably be
you.
greedy because if it's like,
Well, I don't know.
give you one right now. Put it right
But
there.
it says it's normally $28 for a small one. It's just $4.
And then, what is this? Mind Tan Body Dot Skin
Yeah.
Prep and Prime Exfoliating Coffee Scrub.
Yeah, that's normally $20 for a full size 200, I guess, grams. It says travel. I guess one of those is just 15.
And
Which is
then,
odd, but that's what it says.
Youth to the People, which is like one of my favorite brands. Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream.
And then Deluxe Mini is $18, normally $58.
And then Christopher Robin scrub. Well, let's see. Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt.
Oh, the scrubs I really don't use.
I know.
It's normally $53. It's $8.48 for a small one.
Or I'd have to give it to my husband or something. And then I think the last thing is, let's see, K-Glow Sheeta Fermented Coconut Juice Smoothing Coconut Biocellulose Eye Mask. I'm like,
And then that's normally, it says $6.
that's it, right?
It's like, did you get that? I probably missed it.
No. Am I supposed to get that?
So you got 5 of 6 things?
But maybe that's why they gave me 2 of these.
Oh, maybe. She was missing this. It says nude sticks. And I was like, where is that? Lately they just substitute with whatever. That's normally $26, but she got something that was worth. That's weird. The mini's only 4, but oh well.
Yeah, I'll call them and say, did you run out? What happened?
I do like the packaging. If this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.